Hey health seekers and snack lovers! Welcome back to the channel. Today, we're talking about a fruit that's probably sitting in your fruit bowl right now, but you might be seriously underestimating its power, the humble banana. From boosting your energy to improving your mood, this yellow wonder does more than just taste good. Stick around, because by the end of this video, you'll want to add a banana to your daily routine, if you haven't already. 1. The Energy and Performance Booster. Let's kick things off with what bananas are famous for: energy. Instant energy boost. Feeling sluggish? Grab a banana. They're packed with natural sugars, fructose, glucose, and sucrose, which give you an immediate and sustained energy boost. No more sugar crashes like with processed snacks. Workout fuel and recovery. Ever wonder why athletes always munch on bananas? It's not just a coincidence. The carbs fuel your muscles. And the potassium helps prevent muscle cramps and aids in post-workout recovery by replenishing electrolytes. 2. Gut Health Guru. Beyond energy, bananas are champions for your digestive system. Fiber powerhouse. Bananas are a great source of both soluble and insoluble fiber. Soluble fiber helps keep your blood sugar stable and can lower cholesterol, while insoluble fiber adds bulk to your stool, promoting regular bowel movements and preventing constipation. Prebiotic benefits. Green, unripe bananas, in particular, contain resistant starch, which acts as a prebiotic. This means it feeds the good bacteria in your gut, leading to a healthier gut microbiome. A happy gut means better digestion, improved immunity, and even better mood. Bananas are part of the brat diet: bananas, rice, applesauce, toast, for a reason. They're easy to digest and can help soothe an irritated digestive system. 3. Heart Health Hero and Mood Lifter. But wait, there's more. Bananas are fantastic for your heart and even your mental well-being. Potassium power for your heart. Bananas are loaded with potassium, a vital mineral that's crucial for heart health. Potassium helps regulate blood pressure by balancing sodium levels in your body, reducing the risk of high blood pressure, stroke, and heart disease. Mood booster. Feeling a bit down? A banana might be just what you need. They contain tryptophan, an amino acid that your body converts into serotonin, often called the happy hormone. Healthy serotonin levels can improve your mood and reduce stress. Vitamin B6 benefits. Bananas are an excellent source of vitamin B6, which is essential for brain health, metabolism, and maintaining a healthy nervous system. It also helps your body produce red blood cells. 4. Other surprising benefits. And just when you thought that was all, there are even more perks. Kidney health. Regular banana consumption, thanks to its potassium content, may help support kidney health and reduce the risk of kidney stone formation. Weight management. Bananas are relatively low in calories and high in fiber, helping you feel full and satisfied, which can aid in weight management by preventing overeating. Antioxidant rich. They contain powerful antioxidants, like dopamine and catechins, which help protect your cells from damage caused by free. If you found this helpful, drop a thumbs up, subscribe, and share this with someone who needs the truth, not more BS. Got questions or myths you want busted? Drop them in the comments.